The Green Power Smoothie combines spinach, green apple, cucumber, lemon juice, and ginger. It boosts metabolism, aiding the body in burning calories more efficiently. Berry Blast Smoothie combines strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. It also includes Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and almond milk for added health benefits. This smoothie is rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals. The smoothie's high protein content aids in satiety and helps manage calorie intake. The Tropical Fat Burner Smoothie contains pineapple, mango, turmeric, and coconut water. Pineapple and mango offer enzymes that aid in healthy digestion. Turmeric acts as a potent anti-inflammatory, reducing body inflammation. Coconut water hydrates and provides electrolytes for metabolic support. This combination promotes fat burning and overall wellness. This smoothie combines cocoa powder, banana, peanut butter, and protein powder. It satisfies sweet cravings without added sugars, preventing diet issues. Protein powder aids muscle recovery post-exercise. Peanut butter adds healthy fats and protein, supporting satiety and fat loss.